Hi there, welcome to the stock photography course, the beginner's guide. In this course, you will learn how to make money with your pictures in 5 easy steps. My name is Hakan and I'm a photographer based in Paris, France. You can learn more about my photography work on my website. And please feel free to reach out to me on Twitter or by email should you have any specific questions regarding my course. So, without further delay, let's get started. And we'll start with chapter 1, taking pictures that will sell. In this very first section, you will learn how to take pictures that are selling and what not to take as a picture. Next, chapter 2, preparing for submission. Here, we will ensure that our pictures are getting accepted on the stock platforms. Then, chapter 3. This is about tagging your pictures with the right keywords. Chapter 4. The acceptance criteria. In this section, you will understand how your pictures are getting reviewed by the curating team behind the scenes. And finally, chapter 5. Increase your ranking. You will understand why it's so critical to stay consistent and keep submitting new pictures as often as possible. Alright, are you ready? Fasten your seatbelt and let's get started. To understand the stock photography, you must first understand the broader content creation business. Well, content creation is the single most time-consuming responsibility for today's content marketers. So, the better your content, the more attractive your offering. And what else is better than having a great picture or composition to illustrate your content? You got it. Here comes the stock photography business. We talk about existing photos someone can get a license to use by paying a fee to the stock agency managing the picture. The photographer who initially took the picture is the author and retains the full copyright of their work. So, what are the key benefits of stock images? For the client, where companies used to hire a photographer to get a picture they wanted from the other side of the world, today, in the digital era, the content writers can do so with a single click through the stock portal, choosing the right image they want for their content within seconds. Well, that simply means huge time and money savings for them here. And the benefits for the photographer? With analogy to the Amazon marketplace, the stock platform is also a marketplace, exposing your photo to millions of potential buyers, hence increasing visibility and income opportunities for you. There are 3 core steps to make money with your photos on stock platforms. First, they must be sellable. Second, have great ranking, discoverability. And finally, third, must be easy to license. So, now that we have covered the basics, let's deep dive into the specifics.